And wine is always good.
Wine is always good.
And sometimes beer is even better.
Bavarian beer is always good.
I found this beer. I'm not sure where it's made actually, but it's hard to find a dark beer in Sicily. Not too many people like it, but I love it. So I'm getting ready for an hour or two at least of shelling peas and drinking a little beer. Great big smile on Maurizio's face from Wednesday's dinner. And so just enjoying life at Batula. Avocados to die for. Oh, they're so good from the jewelry. And then of course there's the melons. Oh, that melon for dessert. Perfecto. Avocados are just butter. Unbelievable. Add a little bit of tomatoes, a little bit of basil, a little bit of olive oil. Oh, just look at that. You can't beat that. Then you add a little bit of chia seed, a little bit of fresh raw onions, and then you cut up some beet leaves that are just, oh, and then you plate it. It just is that good. The plating looks fantastic. Look at that. It's just like you add a little bit of this and you add a little bit of everything is pre-made. And look at that when it's finally done. It is superb. Well, it's definitely past noon. It's past 1 o'clock on Friday.
Yeah, this is breakfast or lunch?
Both breakfast and lunch. And maybe even supper. I don't know. But anyway, so I've been peeling these peas, Joni.
Yes, wonderful.
I'm not even halfway through.
Look at this huge
Yes, yeah, I know.
piece.
And I'm gonna make pea and potato soup.
And potato.
Soup for a little bit for tonight.
Nice.
And then we're gonna bring it along to go to Loredana or Maurizio's for tomorrow, lunch.
Right.
And then for Sunday, we got the whole shitload of people over at their place. And they're gonna send me some stuff to pick up from Presa
Yes.
for us, okay?
Yeah.
But anyway, this salad here, Joan,
Yes.
I have been making while we are putting videos together for YouTube and you're doing your bookwork there. But this has the base is beet leaves and some avocado and some tomatoes. And then I've made a sauce to go on top of it with just oranges, lemons, and a little
Like a
bit of
dressing.
a dressing and some cucumbers and a few things like that.
Yeah.
And it's just to me it looks
It
fantastic.
does, and it's
Yes.
got the avocados.
Yes.
And,
Nice, eh?
Yeah, wonderful.
So anyway,
Ready to
let's
dig
let's enjoy. And we're gonna have we have this Bavarian beer.
Yeah, it's got a molassesy flavor.
Oh,
It's really
it is
good.
so good. We picked that up at Lingua Glassa store. This last week sometime.
Yeah, it's very nice.
I love it. I love the taste. It's very molasses.
Very, very flavorful.
Yes. Ciao. We talked a little bit about the type of salad we have, Joan.
Right. What you do when you make a salad is
It's always basically the same, right?
it's the same except that you zero in on what you have on hand at that
Right.
point. So what we've done here is we've featured the beet leaves,
Right.
and you see how beautiful they are. They're red. They've got red veins going through. Really bitter, but they have a flavor that, like, I love the flavor. And what
Yes.
you do is you always add things like, of course, the tomatoes, the cucumbers, the avocados, and you put chia seeds in here.
Yes, we did.
And the dressing is a sweet, an orange flavor and a lemon flavor and a little bit of olive oil. But the sweetness of the orange kind of complements the bitterness of the beet leaves. So
Correct.
you always have a little bit of a balance.
Yes.
And you have a bit of fat in here too,
The avocado.
to help with the absorption of the nutrients in the leaves. And then you have a bit of protein in the chia seeds. And of course, raw onion.
Yes.
To me, that is
Perfect.
very flavorful
Yes.
in salads. and then the strong old
Cheese. That's
Parmesan.
Parmigiano. Yeah, from up north.
Reggiano.
Yeah, Reggiano, Parmesan.
So, cheers.
Cheers.